In the year 1958, a physicist named William Higginbotham invented the first ever video game. It's a simple tennis game that's comparable to the 1970s classic Pong, and it was a huge hit at Brookhaven National Laboratory Open House. Later, it morphed into a few more games, and the gaming industry began to grow at a rapid pace. On today's Crypto Trends, we're going to look at how NFT games work, how they create wealth opportunities, and which NFT games to keep an eye on. Please don't forget to click on the notification icon so you get notified when I post a new video. Let's get started without further delay. Now, what are the rules of NFT games? NFT games in a nutshell allow players to earn money while having fun. These games use NFTs, unique digital jewels on the blockchain that gamers can sell in-game to other collectors and players, or GameFi as it is known among players. Participants in specialized play-to-win gaming formats can also earn NFTs. This setup allows gamers to invest in NFTs, which have the potential to grow in value. There are three ways that the NFTs games are creating new wealth potential. A new cryptocurrency use case is emerging, primarily in Asia, and it is gaining traction in other developing world countries. Not only is play to earn a new source of income in which people can earn real money by playing video games, but it's also redefining the cryptocurrency market by allowing investors to invest in a different category and crypto holders to receive a reward. It's creating a three-way economy of wealth generation while also making crypto entry more accessible. The first way is play to earn, or P2E. There are approximately 800 blockchain-based video games that allow you to earn prizes in cryptocurrencies or NFTs, according to playtoearn.net. There are more than 200 of them in use. Most have gone online in recent years, with Axi Infinity, the most popular P2E game, launching in March 2018. Since then, it's been valued at over $3 billion. Play-to-earn gaming has taken the cryptocurrency world by storm, and it's easy to see why. Participants in this one-of-a-kind, adult-oriented gaming industry are rewarded with cryptocurrencies or NFTs simply for playing games that they would otherwise play for free. Axi Infinity, currently the most popular platform for play-to-earn gaming, allows users to collect Axis that can be utilized across the company's entire game universe. The company then employed blockchain to reward its participants for taking part in the project. It's worth noting though that play-to-earn gaming isn't always free, at least not initially. You'll need 3 Axis to get started in Axi Infinity, and these Axis aren't cheap. As you can see from the marketplace dashboard in the game, you'll need to spend $1,000 or more to keep this need. Selling SLPs or Smooth Love Portion, breeding rare Axis, and AXS staking are all options from there. You may also earn cryptocurrencies by playing the platform's numerous games. Each Axi is a non-fungible token or NFT, which means it's created on the Ethereum network. As a result, Axis are costly and can be sold for a profit. The second way is to rent out your NFT to earn. So you're not interested in playing the game? If you possess NFTs and rent them to guilds, P2E may still be profitable. This is relatively a new trend in the NFT space, but it is attracting a lot of interest. Although there aren't many guilds that offer this service, it's certain to become popular and similar to play to earn. According to the Stratus study, 58% of 197 game developers from the United States and the United Kingdom are experimenting with blockchain technology, and 47% have already implemented NFTs in their games. It won't be long before we see further innovation in the NFT gaming arena, which will open up new revenue streams. The third way is to invest in NFT games and guilds. The third option is to invest directly in the games and guilds if you don't want to play the games and don't have game NFTs. This can be accomplished in several ways. Before an organization's token is released on the public market, it usually goes via a pre-sale round on Launchpad. This is when the general public can purchase a token at a discounted pre-sale price, which is usually much lower than the initial exchange offering. It's a competitive market. You may not be guaranteed a specific allocation, and allocation amounts and vesting periods are restricted. Once they are publicly available on an exchange, you may want to explore acquiring them from the exchanges to invest in them. Compare centralized exchanges like Binance and KuCoin versus decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and Uniswap. The blockchain gaming NFT industry is expected to be worth less than $10 billion, but it is a drop in the ocean in the gaming world, accounting for only 6% of the $173 billion gaming industry in terms of revenue. Top NFT games to keep an eye on for now. Axi Infinity. In the field of NFT gaming, Axi Infinity is the dominant force. In the third quarter of 2021, it saw a spike in trading volume, accounting for $2.08 billion of the total $2.3 billion in NFT game trading activity during the period. The quarter alone accounted for 83% of the game's $2.5 billion in total trade volume. The main reason for this fascination is that users may make money on the network, with some making up to $100 each day. Axi Infinity is also referred to as a digital pet universe, in which new users are required to purchase at least 3 NFT Axis, digital fantasy animals. They raise these Axis and use them to combat other players before selling them. Axi Infinity's play-to-earn approach encourages players to build Axis with the best in-game equipment to sell them to other players for a profit, which can include the rising price of the cryptocurrency, particularly Ethereum. Alien Worlds. Alien Worlds is one of the most popular NFT games. It was the first blockchain game to attain a user base of 100,000. It now has more than 2.5 million users and is continuously growing. It's a shared virtual world environment or metaverse that spans 7 planets. NFTs are used in the game and players mine for Trillium, which is the game's cryptocurrency. Alien World is a game that can earn you money if you play it well. Players can earn local money by mining, interacting with other users, completing objectives, or renting out their digital land. The game makes use of NFT-developed digital products such as fighting avatars and mining gear. Players can earn money in the game by cashing out Trillium. Cryptoblades. Cryptoblades is an NFT game in which players use weapons to destroy their opponents. They get skill tokens, which are the game's currency. They can level up and improve their character by using the skill. An NFT marketplace is used in the game where players can sell their made things to enhance their earnings. The popularity of Cryptoblades has fluctuated considerably. With over 400,000 unique active wallets in 2021, it was the most popular game at one point. However, due to a decline in the price of skill, which has harmed users' earning potential, user interest has diminished. The developers of Cryptoblades have announced Cryptoblade Kingdoms, a standalone sequel with strategy-based land creation. This might boost user engagement and turn it into a worthwhile investment for players. Splinterlands. Splinterland is a digital collectible card game powered by blockchain technology. Users collect a deck of cards with varied traits and abilities. Players can use them to compete in skill-based competitions against other players. Players can also purchase, sell, and trade NFTs. Splinterlands has become one of the most popular blockchain games in a short period. In September 2021, it drew over 245,000 daily UAW, an astounding 3,267% growth from the end of the second quarter. It generated over 150 million transactions in the third quarter, resulting in $1.18 million in transaction volume, a 1,200% increase over the previous quarter. One factor moving the game forward was the launch of its token, Splinterlands Shards, in August 2021, which would allow holders to vote on the game's fate. Momo Farmer. Momo Farmer is a free-to-play, earn-to-play NFT game from Mobox. Users profit from yield farming, a free market for NFTs and governance tokens. Its exchange allows users to buy and trade Momo NFTs. The game garnered 30,700 daily UAW in September 2021, generating $67 million in transaction volume. Meanwhile, its total trading volume in the third quarter was $280 million, up 28% over the previous quarter. Investors are benefiting from the NFT fever in a variety of ways, including through NFT games. Many NFT games have financial structures that allow players to earn money while playing. NFT gaming economic potential may develop in tandem with its popularity. Several games are emerging as potential moneymakers for players, making them interesting to watch. That's all there is for it today, guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. If you enjoyed it, then please hit the like button and the notification bell and subscribe to our channel to receive updates on new videos from us. Thank you.